Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we'll be cracking open this 2016 Donruss Optics 12-pack box. They are jumbo packs, 16 cards per pack. And to keep this video as short as possible, I'll burn right through the cards and really looking for those hits. And I've never opened up a box like this before, but let's go ahead and crack this open and see the packs. The box itself doesn't have any odds on it, but the packs do. So let's take a look to see what we are looking for here. So of course you got your on-card signatures or autographs. You have your rated rookie signatures. Back to the Future. All types of goodies in here. So let's just get right into it and see what we come up with. All right. So the first thing I noticed is they are all stuck together, which is not a good sign. Hopefully it's not doing damage to the cards. That's too bad. Brian Dozier, green parallel, numbered to 299. Carlos Carrero, not sure if this is a second-year card, 99 games. Might be a rookie card. We'll put that aside and take a look. Brian Dozier, parallel. Not sure if this is a purple parallel. Not numbered. Jose Abreu, blue parallel or purple parallel. It's a nice card. Not numbered. Jose Fernandez, Diamond Kings. Not numbered. Miguel Sano, rated rookie, purple parallel. In spite of them being stuck together, I really like this set, actually. That's quite nice. Diamond Kings. Diamond Kings, Jose Gonzalez. Eckhoff, rated rookie. Hazelbacher, rated rookie. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Let's see if we can loosen these up a bit. All right, that's much better. Okay. Ichiro. Ryan Sandberg, master of the game. That's nice. Manny Machado, Diamond Kings. Not sure if that's a parallel. Oh yeah, that is a parallel. Not numbered, but a nice parallel. Ichiro, purple parallel. Gonzalez, purple parallel. Bryce Harper, Diamond Kings. Brandon Jury, purple parallel rated rookie. Jose Altuve. Corey Seager, rated rookie. Very nice. Zach Davies. Jose Abreu. Chris Sale. Aqua parallel. Numbered to 299. The Prospects. Orlando Urcia. Manny Machado. Parallel. Garrett Cole. Looks like a purple parallel. Manny Machado, purple Diamond Kings, really nice. George Lopez, purple parallel rated rookie. Billy Burns, Diamond Kings. Brian Dozier. Severino and Piscotti rated rookies. Wow, this is like a hot box in terms of inserts and good rated rookies. Oh, there's something on the back here. Not sure what that is. Billy Burns. Miguel Sano, the rookies. Bumgarner, parallel. Patterson, purple parallel. Zach Grink. Chris Sale. Rob Refsnyder, rated rookie, purple parallel. Molino, Diamond King. Kemp. Byung-Ho Park, rated rookie. Jose Peraza, and this is a security beacon. All right. Power Alley, Josh Donaldson. Nice insert. Justin Upton, parallel. Yu Darvish. Thomas. Jacob deGrom, Mart, Aaron Nola, Trey Turner. Okay, next up here. Syndergaard, Buster Posey, Miguel Franco, Blackman, Adam Eaton. Well, this one's numbered to 199. Looks like a rose parallel, pink parallel maybe. Wow. Illusions, Matt Harvey. Travis Yankowski. Conforto, rated rookie. That's a nice one. Bryce Harper. Nomar Mazara. Pete O'Brien. Back to the Future, Chris Davis. Chris Sale. So Crates Burrito, Stripling, hoping that the stickiness of these cards is not going to affect too much of the overall grade of these cards, but that's the unfortunate reality. Fortunately, the box was on sale. Matt Holiday. Doc Peterson. I'm not sure if this is called a light blue parallel. Powerplay Miguel Sano, rookie card. Beautiful. Max Kepler. Kershaw. Holiday. Fielder. And a Tyler Duffy rookie card. Purple parallel. Maeda and Yankowski. Excuse me. All right. 4 packs left here. David Price. DeGrom, Carpenter, Mats, Cruz, Matt Kemp, numbered to 299. Probably just a little wipe down to get those sticky marks off. It's a nice card. Edgar Martinez, Master of the Game. Maeda, Parallel Rookie. Troy Tulowitzki. Lots of Prince Fielder in this box. Adubel Herrera. Diamond Kings, Buster Posey. Henry Owens and Greg Bird, rated rookies. Prospects, Brendan Rodgers, Gonzalez, Diamond Kings Parallel, Billy Burns, Richie Schaefer, rated rookie. Aledmus Diaz and Tyler Naquin. All right, 2 packs to go. Really happy with this box. Not happy with the stickiness, but the pulls have been great. No hits yet, a couple of numbered cards. Trevor Story on the back. It's been some doubles, but not a lot to really notice, which has been great. All right, another numbered Carlos Gonzalez. $2.99. Trey Turner, the rookies. Cespedes, Parallel. Miguel Franco. Jonathan Gray, rated rookie. Tom Murphy, Trevor Story. All right, last one here. On-card signature. I like these yellows. Okay. Illusions. Clayton Kershaw. Is it sticky here? No. It's nice. Parallel. Syndergaard. Another Buster Posey. I think that one might be a variation, or the other one might be. It looks different. David Price. Tyler White. Brandon Drury and Tyler Duffy. So just a quick recap. These are all the base. I'll look those through for variations and short prints. These are all of the base Diamond Kings. I don't think there was any parallels in here that I missed. No. None of these are variations. So Zach Greinke is the number 1 in the set. And here we got the rated rookies. So they have the prospects, the rookies, then the rated rookies. There's a power play Miguel Sano rookie card. That's a nice card. Put that one aside. Oh. So this one here is a parallel rookie. Receiver. And then these are all of the inserts. Parallels. Oh, this one's numbered to 50. I missed that the first time. Very nice. to 199. $2.99. It's a nice Ryan Sandberg, Master of the Game. And then Brian Dozier to $2.99. All in all, really happy with all these numbered cards and all the rookies and everything else. So thanks a ton for stopping by, everybody. Love to hear from you if you want to hit like or subscribe and write some comments. I don't know if you guys have collected this 2016 Optics Donruss. This is my first time busting a box open or any packs. Love to hear what cards you thought were good. Maybe there's some that I missed that you can let me know of. And look forward to chatting with you soon.